I am turning my protective box for my iPod Touch into a docking station. Just heat up a screwdriver and you cut through the box that came with your iPod, and you cut right about here and here, and then you just break it off, and you can keep your iPod in there and use it as a docking station. And before you do this, you might want to take a marker and mark where you want to cut. Get it a little bended before you take the whole thing off, and then you can just cut it a little bit more right there after you almost have it, and you should be able to just rip it off.
That'll help.
I probably should have heated it up a little bit more. just do that. Once you have that, you might turn the stove off and take it over here, about here, and you can just put it right there and put your headphones there. Then with this is what you're going to put in a little bit. And you just take the scissors, you cut right here, here, and you can cut it like this, and then you take it over here. I will show you how it you can just slide it in there, and your headphones will fit right in there, and you can charge it. As you can see, there's plenty of room. And then, as seen in my other video, you put your iPod right here. You can put this on top, and it closes perfectly. So yeah.